Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Miranda at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And before I get started with this wonderful Sophistricrate review, I would like to say a couple of things. So number one, if you enjoyed this haul video and my honest opinion, give me the thumbs up. Number two, comment what you liked most about the Sophistricrate. And thirdly, if you're not subscribing to my channel, I'd absolutely love to have you. So make sure you click the subscribe button. Now, I have already opened it because I filmed a video before, but I definitely wanted to come and show the full effect of the Sophistricrate. And I'm gonna pull everything out, but I wanted you guys to see how pretty it comes in the box. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna grab everything out and set it here and give you my honest review. I really like the fact that the little details, like this postcard, it's not matte, it's shiny and it's cute. Isn't she cute? Now I'm not gonna share the back with you because there's a special code for me and I'm going to use that in my next Sophistricrate order. So yes, these are the Happy Planner Keepsake books. And let's just, I'm gonna pull this one out. I'm saving my favorite for last, and that's gonna be that Live Love Plan. I'm just gonna do a quick flip through and some quick comparisons. So to put things in perspective for you of the size of these books, I'm gonna bring out this is my current Happy Planner. Mini Happy Planner. Look how small that is. It's like more than half the size of a mini Happy Planner. And let's put those discs in perspective. Here's a Happy Planner mini disc. Here's the Keepsake. So this is like an extra medium mini planner. But I think they're pretty cool. So if you're into, your Christmas planning, these two are more Christmas planning keepsakes, and they're pretty much the same. So I'm just gonna flip through and show you all that's in here. You can go in here and list your Christmas festivities and gift ideas of who you're gonna shop for. There's a winter bucket list, which I like most of these things. Drink hot cocoa, go ice skating, stay in my PJs all day. That sounds great. So here, our wish list. You can put pictures in here and the date and all kinds of memories here. So the paper quality, it's pretty good. It's just super, super small. So hopefully when you put your things in it, it'll fill it up and it won't be so, kind of a little bit flimsy, but I think they're super cute. Okay, and these are both pretty much the same kind of layout where you can put in pictures, Christmas wish list, shopping list, and things like that. So let's fast forward to my favorite. And my favorite is the one that says, it's the Everyday Planner Keepsake, and on the front it says, Live, Love, Make. Now, guys, check this out. That's Miss Maker. That is how the Miss Maker planner looks on the outside. Okay, I'm gonna just break my Miss Maker minus Miss Maker. It's got all the things. The sewing machine, the cart, the punch, paint brushes, yarn, glue gun. Look at this, sticker book, planner. Okay, so that should look very, very, very familiar. And I'm here for it. Overall, I'm very pleased with my little find. Okay. So you can put your little name in there, and as I'm kind of flipping through, there's some places for you to journal. So it's like a little journaling. Here's a gratitude page where it looks like you can put a picture there. And then it actually has a currently page. It says loving, reading, watching, eating, wearing, listening to, or listening, excited for, and planning, and then today's date. And it actually has little teeny tiny dashboards. So this is so cute. Look at this happy mind, happy life checklist. Wake up early. I don't want to do that. Drink something warm, yes. Listen to a favorite song, absolutely. Smile. Hug a loved one. Get some sunshine. Be nice to a stranger. Read something uplifting. Write down what you're grateful for. Take 3 deep breaths. Let's do that right now. Oh yeah, that did feel relaxing. I had a crazy day today. Went to the passport office, had to go to another state to get a long form of my birth certificate. It was just crazy, but you get the idea. It was the cleansing breaths. Those were great. And then once again, and all through the book it's the same thing, a grateful and then a picture. You can take a hello life, a picture here, and you put the date. So it's just a really teeny tiny place you can make notes here, journaling, just writing notes. So maybe if it's something that you're doing for a month or so, you could do that in here. But I absolutely love it, and it's so super cute. Yes, it is. Okay, so putting that aside. Now, these are all the stickers that came with this box. And some of them you've seen before, so I'll just do a quick flip through, not a really in-depth detail flip through, because we've all seen these stickers, right? And let me move these so you can see the one that I'm focusing on. All right. Flamingos and pineapples. Oh, these are cute. They look like Glam Girl. Unicorns and donuts. Plants, backpacks and totes. Have some fruit and plants and peaches and lemons. Squeeze the day. And then love your selfies with a bunch of cameras with hearts. So that's one. And the name of that one is Love Your Selfie. Okay. And I don't know what I did with the second one. That was like that. Okay, now this is a little seasonal book. And we'll do the same thing. Let's cut it open and do a quick flip through. Okay. So this is winter / Christmas. And this is fall / Thanksgiving. This is fall / Halloween. This is summer / barbecue season. And then these are guest stars for the 4th and flowers and May showers. And I love Mom, I love Dad. So Mother's Day, Father's Day. And also these little chicks here. We have Easter eggs, bunnies, and also shamrocks. And then we have horseshoes, rainbows, hearts. And then you have the stickers that you can put in your actual planner to signify various days. So, of course, that one is called 'Tis the Season, and it is not new. Okay. Something else that came in here were these Keepsake, and I didn't open this because I already have a pack that's not open. But what you do with this is you can put them in the inside of your planners. And let me see if I have an open pack that I can share with you. Okay, it's kind of like this. This is just another version where you can just sit it in the pocket of your planner. You can sit it on the, with it pointing to the left. You can sit it in the right corner where you can just put extra things. You can keep your stickers. You can keep sticky notes in that pocket. So that's what these are, and there's 3 of them in there. Okay, so this is the Mambi Sticks, and this is Life is Better with Friends. So it's just a whole bunch of really, really colorful stickers that you can place in your planner. You can use them in your memory planner. They're cute. And there is another page of this. This reminds me of one of the productivity books, Think, Dream, Plan, and the same thing. Oh, I like this one, Caffeine and Confidence. So be the game changer and making it happen. So that's cute. Okay. And then these are interesting. So this is, these are clear stickers. So behind each page is like a colored page, right? And I'm going to use this to help me flip. So you can see it says party, nothing's better than cake. Today is all about you. Let's eat cake. So you have those. This one says, hooray, my family surprised all my friends. It's your day. Yay. So that's cute. Okay, this one is another, put another candle on your cake. Hip, hip, hooray, the big day, the date. This one says hooray, and it says smile. Time to open presents, and it has some banners. Okay, this one actually has numbers, and it says ready to have fun. How another year older is a special day. Happy. Okay. So I like this one, says friends. Yum and yay. Yippee. So those are cute. And then this one says getting old, opening presents, love you, smile. And that is the last of that sticker book. So that one is a clear Mambi Sticks. Now this one was kind of difficult to show because it's like best friends and it's stickers on both sides. So this side is, it says smile, love, best friends, laughter. And then we flip it here. And sorry about that. Says the very best, think happy, you and me, hello. So this is really about friends. These are a whole bunch of words that pertain to friends. Love this life, we laugh a lot, ha ha ha. So much fun, my friends, LOL. And then come to this side, and these are clear stickers that says friends, awesome. They're like clear, and they're white and like a hollow type of glitter on there. Friends for life, memories, friendship. This one says to the moon and back, c'est la vie. This rocks and has the days of the week. And that is that complete sticker book. All right, now let me open this one. And this is an oldie but goodie. And I can't get enough of what's at the back, but I'll share it with you. This is just the Happy Planner stickers, and it has all kinds of very colorful. So if you want to do color in your spread, this book actually does have some purple stickers, so that's really cool. So those are all in gold. The best is yet to come. Hustle, do small things with great love. Don't overthink it, just let it go. Here's what I can't live without. I love these bullet points. I like to use it in my work planner, and it helps me pull my spreads and things together. So I absolutely cannot get enough of bullet points. So I was excited to see these in this Sophistricrate. And then for those of you who love to do rainbow themes, this is a good one. I mean, they have lovely colors here, rainbow here, even the wording, the stickers, stop the glorification of busy. Just do your very best. You know, you can use those because when you stop and look around, this life is pretty amazing. Yep. So that's beautiful. And here are the clear stickers. A lot of those, once again, those rainbow stickers. This will be good to use for that. We can't get enough to do stickers. We totally need them. And they're in gold foil. And these stickers have gold foil. So, you know, all in all, like, I really think you can't beat all of this. It was a great price, and she put a coupon up a couple of days ago where she was advertising everything for like 40–30% off. So I mean, hey. And something else that I heard, these little books, initially there was people saying that you could not get them in the US, which clearly that's not true, because like I bought these in the US and I did not pay any exuberant prices to get them. They were also on Amazon.com and they sold out. But I'm just telling you guys to definitely go and check out Sophistricrate if you're still looking for them. She has placed another order, so she does have some more coming in, and she's able to offer pretty decent prices, because I heard that someone had paid maybe $30 or $40 for just one, where this whole kit was like $39, and then certain coupon codes and things that she regularly posts on Instagram. You can certainly look there to get those various codes. So all in all, I'm very pleased with the box. And hey, I have some Happy Meal going out soon with maybe some of the stuff in here. So if you're one of my PFFs, check your mailbox soon, okay? All right, guys. Well, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and thank you for taking the time to watch my honest review of this Sophistricrate. And I don't know if I added this disclaimer up front. I purchased this with my own money, and no one asked me to do this review. I'm just giving my unsolicited feedback on the Sophistricrate experience. It came quick. I didn't have any problems, but I think that this was, I'm not displeased at all with my little haul here. So guys, if you like the video, again, thumbs up. So like, comment below, and subscribe. I will see you at my next haul. Ciao, bella.